North Korea has accused the United States of setting up a military alliance like NATO in Asia, saying the unwavering U.S. aim to oust North Korea's government compelled it to develop stronger defenses. The North Korean criticism comes amid concern it could be preparing its first nuclear test in 5 years and after a recent agreement between South Korean and U.S. President to deploy more U.S. weapons if deemed necessary to deter the North. While blatantly holding joint military exercises with Japan and South Korea, the United States is making a full-fledged move to establish an Asia-style NATO, North Korea's foreign ministry said in a statement. The United States is insisting that North Korea give up its nuclear weapons and has repeatedly offered to meet North Korean officials at any time without preconditions to discuss the issue. North Korea has rebuffed the offers.